weight choice and the kettlebell swing. Like everything, it's really up to you. I'm gonna give you a few guidelines. What you want to know, I mean, before you start anything, you wanna know what your goal is, right? What do you wanna do with that thing? So if your goal is to stay moving for as long as possible, say, like in a 10-minute swing, I've got 200 swings in 10 minutes time. Am I gonna take my heaviest bell? No, I am not. That is an endurance thing. So I'm gonna take a lighter bell than that. If I'm just gonna do hikes, I might take something really heavy and work those lats and the belly as I pull the bell back to strengthen that back low position. If I'm just trying to get a good general workout in, I'll throw in a ladder and I've got a bunch of other bells. If you are learning kettlebell, I'm talking to you. Okay, so here is one of the ways that you can tell. Always start with as light a bell as you can get just for the feel of it. So many people swing incorrectly the first time. Well, like everything the first time, right? No big deal. So just make sure that you're safe that first time. So I've got a 20-pound bell here. I'm tall, I'm kind of big, I've got some counterweight, and I've done kettlebells before. So 20 pounds is gonna be too light for me for a two-handed swing. I'm gonna show you what that looks like. So I'm gonna pull it back. If that bell is flopping at the end, right? That's indicative of you not controlling the bell because it's so light you don't need to. If you can lift the bell like that, do not swing that bell with two hands. If you only have a light bell, so let's say that I'm on quarantine lockdown and I only have a 20-pound bell, I'm gonna make it work. So we're gonna be on point with that swing and control every aspect of it. Tight, tall, hinge, tall, hinge, tall, hinge, tall. So the bell doesn't have to flop, doesn't have to float way up high. You can control all of that. Now watch me swing the next bell. I'm just gonna go through each one and you can see the difference in the energy output. So here we have 30. Here we have 35. This is a strong first female recommended weight, unless you're over 55 and then you can do something lighter, whatever. Here we go. Not much difference, 5 or 6 pounds. Takes a little bit more work for me to drive that bell forward. Now I'm gonna do 50 pounds. I know I can do that. There's bells in between, but I'm just gonna hop up to a heavier weight so you can see what that difference looks like. Because of my low back issues, you've noticed probably that long pause and that breath. I'm really getting ready for this because I have to keep my belly tight and on point to make sure that my low back is protected. So here we go. It's gonna be a hike. And you can see I need all the power breathing I can muster. I'm breathing in all the way down, deep, deep into my belly. In that tightest hinge, I'm still breathing in. And then as I push through the glutes, I'm breathing out. I'm trying to press all my strength out from the belly up.